Hello， 大家好，欢迎来到 LK 仔教知识频道。In the previous video, I have shared about excellent knowledge. This time, I will share with you the use of user-defined function in Excel macros. Let's begin with the macro journey and make Excel even easier. First, let's take a look at the code structure of the user-defined function. Start by typing function, followed by the name you want to give to the function. Then specify the desired parameter and their data type. Finally, define the data type of the function itself. We will be using three data types. First one is the range, which is representing the range of Excel cells. Second one is the number, which is the number with decimals. The third one is the integer, which is for the whole numbers. Once the function structure is set, you can design a formula for your custom function, which define what you want the function to calculate. Lastly, end the function with end function. After discussing the code structure, let's put our newly acquired knowledge into practical. Do you remember how to access VBA code? Press Alternate plus F11. Then right-click VBA project, insert module. This is a VBA interface to input for the coding. Let's start by creating a simple custom function that halves a number. Key in function, and then half. Then input parameter value as number. The function definition is half equal to value divided by 2. Then the end function will be automatically come out after you key in the function. After finish the VBA coding, now let's test the function. Equal to half 4. Then we will see it is equal to 2, which is correct. Then testing another type, half by 10. Then you will see it is equal to 5, which is correct also. The result seems like looks good. Next, let's move on to a second example, which is creating a custom function that adds up a range of numbers. Key in function, LK limited sum. Range 1 is range. Then the function is a number type. The function contains give LK limited sum equal to worksheet function dot sum to a range R1. Since sum is an Excel function, but it is not a VBA function, so we need to use worksheet function to access the Excel sum. Feel free to replace LK with any name you prefer. Now, let's test the function also. Here equal to LK limited sum. Take the sum at here. So it displays correctly, which is 2 plus 5 equal to 7. Let's test another example. Equal to LK limited sum for this range. Then is equal to 21, which is the sum of the above range, which is 21 and which is correct. The result looks good also. After seeing the two functions above, now let's move on to another example, which is calculating the area using a custom function. The formula for calculating the area is range multiplied by width. If no width information is provided, then the area is set equal to a range. We will use the if else function for this time, as it requires selection to decide whether the width information provided or not. Alternate plus F11 function area range is number. Then here is the second parameter input, but we put the word optional, which indicate this second parameter can input and also can be non-input also. Width as number. Then the whole area function is defined as number data type. Then the function content to use if else condition. If width equal to 0, then set area equal to length. Else area equal to length multiplied by width. Then finally use and if to close this function. Let's testing this function also. This is area, this is width. Let's say area is 2, width is 3. Then the style function is area 2, width is 3. I think this is wrong, this is the length. Then you will see 2 multiplied by 3, which is this, which is correct. Second example, length is 5, width is 10. Then using a formula, you can see the self-defined function area is 50, which is correct also. Then the third example, we only provide the length of 7. The width info you put as empty. Then you can see the area equal to the length without any width information, which is correct also. Finally, let me introduce my original magic middle function. The magic middle asks, who is the most handsome prince in the world? Then you can see it is undoubtedly the handsome LK. Even Excel VBA supports me like this. Thank you, I am honored. With that, we come to the end of this setting section. Please show your support by liking, subscribing, sharing, and following. Your support will motivate me to continue creating high quality video in the future. See you next time.